Imagine a desktop that can keep up with your most demanding workloads, effortlessly juggling multiple tasks and projects simultaneously, with lightning-fast performance and zero lag, even when working on the most resource-intensive applications. As business professionals continue to push the boundaries of productivity, the challenge of managing complex workflows and multitasking becomes increasingly daunting. Traditional desktops often struggle to deliver the kind of speed, efficiency, and reliability required to stay ahead of the curve. That's why Dell's 2026 Pro Tower QCT1250, powered by Intel's Core i7-14700 processor, is a game-changer. With an incredible 20-core, 28-thread configuration and 33 megabytes cache, this powerhouse is designed to handle even the most demanding applications, such as data analytics, virtual machines, and compiling large code bases. Whether you're working on a critical project or simply trying to manage multiple screens, this desktop's hybrid core design ensures seamless workflow efficiency and responsive performance out of the box. But what sets this desktop apart from the competition is its unwavering focus on business-class features. The 32 GB DDR5 RAM and 1 TB PCIe SSD provide a stable and fast foundation for running multiple applications, and the dual 4K monitor support ensures a visual experience that's as seamless as it is stunning. And with Windows 11 Pro, you get a robust operating system that's designed specifically for business use. In the real world, using this desktop feels like a breath of fresh air. Your productivity soars as you effortlessly switch between multiple tasks without any lag or slowdown. You can work on complex projects, run virtual machines, and even compile large code bases, all without breaking a sweat. The peace of mind that this desktop provides is invaluable, knowing that your work will always be done with precision, speed, and reliability. So, if you're tired of struggling with inadequate desktops and want a solution that can keep up with your most demanding workloads, look no further than Dell's 2026 Pro Tower QCT1250. This desktop is the ultimate power tool for business professionals, and with its unbeatable combination of performance, features, and reliability, it's the perfect choice for anyone pushing the boundaries of productivity.